Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be building a Facebook user profile timeline and dashboard page. Similar to see whenever you sign up on Facebook, whenever you create a new account, you see this timeline dashboard where you can update your profile picture, update your cover picture, and you can see the contacts will be shown in the sidebar, and whatever you need to post here you can post it here. What's in your mind here in the photo section, whatever photos that you uploaded, it is shown in the sidebar. And this is the intro section, what is, you can edit this with the pencil icon. You can write anything about what you do, what you not do. This is a location. So basically we will try to replicate this profile timeline dashboard layout. It's a completely responsive layout, guys. If you view it inside the mobile phone, you can see that it is completely responsive. You can see that. So we will try to replicate this inside our HTML and CSS. We will not be using any sort of framework. We will try to replicate this using HTML and CSS3. So you can see this is the name of the person. This is different icons here, which is add friend, comment section, notification bell icon, and this is the user account picture. And also it has a nice little box shadow effect here. Basically it is giving the feel of a Apple Mac computer with these three icons, which is red, yellow, green. So also there is an input field where you can search your friends here also. This is not functional, this is just a design that we will be building it. And later on, if you want to build out a complete Facebook application, you can use this design and connect it with the database. So let's start building this application, guys. So for this design, I have given all the HTML and CSS code in the description of this live stream. So basically you can go to the description of that live stream here and copy paste all the source code. So I have given this uh, source code. So you can go to the description of the live stream to copy paste all the source code. If you're joining it for the very first time, then please hit the like button. So let's start doing it. So right here inside it, I will create a new directory here, which will be called as Facebook. And here we will be creating a new file, which is index.html. So here, basically, we will be giving a title to it of Facebook profile timeline responsive layout using HTML5 and CSS3. So now what we will do is that we will do it side by side so that you can see what is right here. I will open this inside live server. So currently you will see it is empty right now. So first of all, we will write the HTML and then we will write the CSS. So we will be having step by step. So we will create a style sheet. Href will be equal to style.css. So that's it. So now we need to create this custom file style.css. So where we will be writing our custom CSS code. So right here, we will inside this folder we will create another file which is style.css. So index.html. So right here, guys, what we need to do right here now, we will now write the section. So here we will have a main tag, and inside the main tag we have this div which will have the ID of device bar 1. So inside this ID, guys, we will have three buttons. This is the three buttons we will have. So basically these will be the three dots that you see. These are the three dots that you see here, red, yellow, green. So these will be the three buttons. After this we will have a header tag, and here we will be having TB class here, and inside this we will have TD, and we will give it a logo class. And inside this we will, for this tutorial, guys, we will also be using font awesome. So just you need to include the CDN for font awesome. So just copy paste these link tags which are there, simply copy and paste it here. just after the title, simply paste it. So these are the font of some icons which are there. So after this we can simply embed any icons that are required for the design. So right here inside this the logo section we will have right here inside this logo we will have a tag href. This will not go to anything, and inside this we will have I, which will be having a class fab fa Facebook square. So if you now see, there will be a square icon Facebook here. It can also be a circle as well, so it totally depends upon you, but we will be using the square icon. That's it. So after this guys we will have another section which will have the class of td, and here we will be having an input field here which will be search form. So here user can search for the friend here. So inside this div we will have a simple form element. So action will be equal to none. So method will be simply get. So this form is not functional, we are just styling it. So input type text, and placeholder will be simply we will be giving so placeholder which will be search Facebook, like this. So after this guys we will have a simple button which will have button type submit, and here we will be having a class of material icons search. You can now see this is a search button. So it's a material icon that we are using here, and after this section is over, so basically now we have td again, and we will be giving a id to it of f name l, and inside the span tag we will write the name of the person. I will write this name here. So after this we will have different links out there of the person, div td. Also we will be having the id of ilinks. So these are the social media links of that person. So inside this we will have tb. So we are just writing the design guys, so don't worry, when I write the css you will get to know what all these classes are about. mtd, tb, and span, and here we will be having another td class, material icons. So inside this material icons guys we will be having add friend icon. So add friend icon is person add. So you will now see this add friend icon appearing here. Similarly, in order to chat, we have the second icon, which is the second icon for chat, and thirdly for notification. So these three icons that you see inside Facebook notification as well. So you can now see add friend, chatting message, and notification. So these are all coming through Font Awesome. So after this guys, div is over right now here. Yeah. Yeah, this is over now. So now we will have another class of td. href is nothing, and here we will be giving a id to p dash link, and here we will be having a image. So you can take any image of your choice, but this is the image that we will be taking. This is totally up to you. You can see here. So I think this header section is now complete. So here we can simply say that end of header section. So now this header section is complete. Start of header section. So now we can style this by going to style.css. So inside style.css, guys, we will write our style sheet. So first of all, we will remove or target all the elements, and we will remove the outline. So outline will be none, and then we will target the body. So margin will be equal to 40 pixel, 0 pixel, and the background color will be equal to this color, which is 385591. So now you can see that the background color is changed here. This is giving this blue color, which has Facebook color. Now basically we will target the body and the input and also the button. We will change the font family to this family, which is Helvetica. This is a font, and now we will target the image which was there. So display we will change to block. We will also change the width to 100%, and border we will remove 0. So now you can see that it is now appearing as full size. So here we will now target TB. We will display it to table and width to 100%. So for this we are not using Flexbox or in any sort of CSS grid. We are using native HTML and CSS to style this. So then we will have table row. We will display this to table row. So after this we will target the table data class, which is we will change the display property to table cell, and vertical align we will send give middle. So now you will see that it will take this shape. So now it is appearing right after the other in the horizontal way. So after this, guys, we will now target the anchor element. So we will remove the underline text decoration to none, and also we will target button. We will give some padding to it of 0. Border we will give 0, and background color we will change to transparent. So now you can see that the background color is transparent raw. So after this, guys, we will now give the placeholder a color, text color, which will be this color F1, F1, F1. And now we will target this main tag. So if I search main, so this is the main tag that we are targeting here. This is the main element. Um, this is a parent element. So now to target this, we will give it the fixed width of 1280 pixel, margin 0, auto. So this will center all the things here. You will now see. And then we will change its background color to different color, which is this one, E9 E BEE. So now you can see it has changed this color to grayish color. You can see that. And then we also need to provide a box shadow to it of 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 30 pixel, and one D2, D4F. So now basically you will now see there is some box shadow also. You can see there's some shadow effect which is there. So in this way you can do it. And also we need to make a round border radius. We can provide as 4 pixel. This will make it somewhat round. Overflow we will say hidden. So now you can see that now it is somewhat round inside the edges. So after this, guys, you will target this element which has got this ID device bar. So this is text align to right. We will give it a padding from 6 pixel. So you can see that. And here we need to change the background color to black color, which is hexadecimal code is 000. So this is the header section that you can see here, right here at the very top. And then we will have this overflow property which is hidden. So now you can see that it is having this design. We are building this design if you're watching it for the very first time. So we are building a Facebook profile layout completely responsive in HTML5 and CSS3. So after this, guys, please hit the like button if you're watching it for the very first time. And device bar 1, and inside this the buttons, we will target those 3 buttons. We will give a width of 15 pixel and a height of also 15 pixel. We will float them at the left position. So now if you see, nothing will be seen till now. We also need to give margin 6 pixel and border radius we need to give 50%. So this will make it round in a circle base. And cursor we need to change to pointer. And here we need to individually give the background color. So device bar 1 button, which is the first child, we are targeting the first child which is there of button. And here we will giving a background color of F35 D5B. So basically this is having this red color which is appearing here. Similarly we will give the next two ones, which is this one, the second child and the third. So now if you refresh it, now you will see these 3 buttons which is ready. So we are building this design. So this is complete right here. You can see that this is almost complete, this header section. So after this, guys, we now need to target, write the styles for the header section, which is header. So inside this, guys, we need to target our header tag, and we will be giving a padding of 15 pixel, 20 pixel. And here we will change the background color to this hexadecimal code, which is 426 426 7B2. So now you can see the header color has been successfully changed. So after this, guys, we need to target the logo, the Facebook logo, and here we will change the width to 30 pixel, and also the anchor tag we will change the display to block. Let me elongate so that you can clearly see the design. And after this, guys, we will have the logo A. We will target this icon. So font size we will increase it to 34 pixel. Color we will change to this white color. You can see that. So now after this, we will be targeting the search field, search form. And inside this, we will say the position to be relative. We will change the width property to 80 pixel. Font size, we will change it to 16 pixel. And after this, we need to give some padding as well. So padding 8 pixel, 15 pixel. Padding from the right position, we need to give 37 pixel. And here we need to change the background color to this color, which is 3B5CA0. So now you can see it has got some shadow. Border radius, we will give it 20 pixel. And margin from the left position, 15 pixel. So now you can see that. After this, we will target the search form, the input field. And here we will change the width to 100%. Color we will change to white. We will change the border to 0. And we will make the background color to be transparent. You can see that. So now we will be styling this button which is there. So search form, form button. So this button, guys, we will change the position to be absolute. Top, we will say it 6 pixel. Right is also 6 pixel. And color, we will change this gray color, F1, F1, F1. This white color shadow. So you can see how it is aligning this logo. You can see this icon, search icon. And here we will change the height to 22 pixel. Line height, we will change it to 1. And the cursor will again be changed to pointer. So you can now see. So now this input field is ready, guys. You can see that when I click this, it changes to pointer. I can type anything here. This is a Facebook logo. So after this, we need to target the icon, search form, button, I. So here we will change the font size to 22 pixel. So now you can see that it is somewhat large. And now, guys, we will target this name which is appearing right here. So now we will target the ID is given to fnameL. We will change the width to 1 pixel. Color we will change to white. Font weight we will change to bold. And white space we will change to pre, like this. And padding right will be equal to 20 pixel. You can now see. So after this, we also need to style f name l span tag. So here we will be giving the padding from the right position to be 28 pixel, and border right will be equal to 1 pixel solid, 35518B. So now you can see that. So now we will be targeting the links, guys, which is i.links. So we will change the width to again 1 pixel and m-td. So now you will see here, the name is right here. So we are styling these icons here, which is appearing right here. You can see that it is taking this shape here. The icon is appearing right here. This is the name and this is the icons. We need to style like this. So here we will provide the padding to be from the right position to be 20 pixel. So first of all, hit the like button guys if you're enjoying this video, and subscribe the channel as well. So MTD span, and position we will change to relative, and cursor we will change to pointer. So now if I show you, it is slightly like this. And now we will be targeting our active class, active span, active before. So here we will give the content to be 5. Position we will change to absolute, and we will change the top to -8 pixel, right to be 0 pixel, color I will change to white color, font size we will change it to 12 pixel. So now you can see it is having this 5 written over it, this notification bell icon. So we are styling this. So font size 12. We will also provide a padding which is 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 3 pixel, and 4 pixel. And background color, we will change this background color to this color, which is FF1E0E. This is the red color, and line height we will change it to 1. You can now see this has got this awesome little notification icon here. So after this guys, we will now target the I element. We will change this color to be white. Font size will be changing to 24. Padding 0 pixel, 8 pixel, and vertically align, we will align them vertically in the middle position. So now you can see all these icons will be in white color. So it is almost complete. We also needed this profile picture as well. So we need to show that profile picture side by side. So now we will target our link. So p dash link. So we will change the display to block. We will change the width to 34 pixel, height to also 34. Background color, we will change it to this color, which is F1, F1, F1. Border radius, we will make it round, completely round, 50%. Overflow is hidden. So if I show you, this is obviously we are targeting this one. You can see that it is completely round. So this section is almost complete guys. We have made a similar functionality. Now we will move to the rest of the functionality. So here now we will be having p dash link image, and basically we will make the width to 100%. So now you can see that. So now we will be going downwards, which is profile. If I show you profile upper, I think I have not written up to this. So the header section is finished here up till now. So now there will be a new section which we need to style here, which is called as profile image header. So we need to style that section now. So for that we need to write the HTML for this. So we will just write that HTML and then style it. So inside this guys, after this ends here, let me see here. this header section ends here. So right here, this is the ending here. So now we will be having this another div which will have this class of profile upper. So this is having the ID of profile upper, and inside this we will another have profile banner image. And here you can give any image of your choice, totally up to you, but I will provide this image. So now you can see this is the header image that we are using here. You can see that it is very big header image. We need to style it. So after this, we will also have the profile section. So I will just copy paste it, guys, just for the to save some time. So after this, I will just paste it here. So format the document. So here, guys, you can see that we now have this name, privacy, all that stuff which is there. So now we need to style like this. So this image will now have to appear like this. This is the name, this is the profile image section. So we need to do like this. So for this we will be writing our CSS. So right here we will this is the header finished. So we'll move to the profile section. So first of all we will target the profile upper section. So first of all we will change the position to relative, and then we will target the profile D tag uh, ID. So inside this, guys, we will again change position to absolute, and left we will change to 59 pixel, and we will also change the bottom position to 0 pixel, and the right position to also 0 pixel. Height will be equal to 180 pixel, and Z index will be equal to 2. So what it will do is that it will make this image, you can now see this image is fixed here, so it is not looking it is looking nice here, something like this. So after this, guys, what we need to do, we will now target this profile banner image. So 6 people are watching the stream, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here we will put the height, fixed height, which is 360 pixel. So what it will do, it will force this image to be restrictive. You can see it is 360 pixel. And after this, we also need to say overflow to be hidden, and Z index will be equal to 1. So after this, we will target the actual image which is present, profile banner image. So we will change the width to 100%, and the margin from the top position we will change to -20%. So now, guys, what it will do is that if you see here, it is shifting this image very nicely. So this image is looking pretty good. We need to do like this. So some more CSS styles to be written here. So after this, we will target the profile pic section. We will say profile pic, and here we will write our styles. So first of all, we will make this width to 180 pixel, and the height to also 180 pixel, and border radius we will change it to 3 pixel so that it appears in a round fashion. So now you can see that it is appearing right here at the center what we want. So now it is looking quite good here, guys. So in this section you can build this Facebook profile layout. It's very easy. 3 pixel, and margin from the top we need to give 28 pixel, overflow to hidden, and then the box shadow, which is very much important, 0 0 0 5 pixel, and the white color. So this is the box shadow we are talking about, guys. You can see that. So you can see this. So after this, we also need to target here the width of this profile pic. The actual image width will be equal to 100%. So after this, guys, we will now target the name. So here also we will give position to be absolute. Top will be 120 pixel. So you can now see it is shifted to the top here. Himalayas, you can see it is written. And after this, we also need to shift this to the left position, 208 pixel. Color we will change it to white. So now you can see it is appearing in the white color. We need to change its font size to be 36 and the font weight to also bold. So now you can see that it is looking something like this. We need to increase its opacity. So the other buttons which are there, M buttons, again we will change the position to be absolute. We will put right 56 pixel, bottom to be 20 pixel, and width 211 pixels. So all these buttons here, privacy, you can see that these buttons which are present here, it will be shifted. So I think, let me see, these buttons that I have styled here, let me see if I have written those buttons. So if I search this, M buttons, these are the buttons that we are targeting, guys. You can see material icons, activity log, privacy. If I shift here, you can see that. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to actually target the M buttons, TD. So here we will give it a padding of 0 8 pixel, and now we will be targeting the actual M button. We will change the cursor property to pointer. Color we will change it to this color, which is 0E 0E 0E. Font size we will change it to 14 pixel, and the white space will be equal to pre. Padding will be equal to 5 pixel, 8 pixel, 6 pixel, and 8 pixel. And background color will be equal to RGBA 255, 255, 255, 0.7. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that M button, we will target actual icon. Font size we will increase to 16 pixel. Margin from the right to 1 pixel. Vertically align them, we will align them vertically in the middle position. So after this, we will target M button span tag. So position is relative, and we will move it to the top position 1 pixel. And basically now we will target this section, edit profile. So these are different icons which are there, guys, which is camera icon, all this. If you see here, if I refresh it, so after this we will style this section which is edit profile. What I will do is that, guys, we will copy paste the HTML which is required for this application, and we will step by step go with writing this CSS part here. So this will make it very much easy to understand what is going on. So this HTML you can copy paste it from the description of the live stream. So simply I will copy and paste it. So this HTML is done now. You can now see, guys. So this is all the HTML which is required for this application, guys. So we have written this HTML. This includes some font or some icons as well that you see inside contacts. Now we just need to style this to give this, to convert to this. So we will do it line by line. So basically what it is doing, you can see this is the privacy button, this camera button, all this stuff. You will now need to style it. So right here, after this, we will target the edit profile. And inside this, we will make the position to be absolute. And we will make it right to be 20 pixel, bottom to be 21 pixel, line height, we will change the line height to 1. We will change the cursor to pointer. So what it will do, guys, you will now see it is styled successfully. When I hover onto this, cursor position changes to pointer. And now we will style the material icons which are there. Change the display to block. And color, we will change it to this color, 255, 0.7. And then basically we will target black grid. This is a grid we will target, and we need to change the position to absolute. Left, we will change it to 0 pixel. Bottom, we will change it to again 0 pixel. Right to also 0 pixel. Height to also 300 pixel. Background, we will change to gradient RGBA 0.0 0, and then 71%. And so 9 people are watching the stream, guys. First of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So this is the color we need to add here, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.53. So now you can see that, guys, this is the colors. It has having some gradient effect. So profile image header is complete. So now we will move to the, let me paste it all the styles here which is there. Uh, So up till now, guys, you can now see it is completed here. You can see that activity log, it is appearing right here. Privacy, you can see that this is camera icon. So now we will be moving to the next part, which is the main content which are there, the content area. So main content, and here we will be giving a padding of 55 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 55 pixel. So this will have this space here, you can see that now, fixed space. And then guys, we will now be targeting this L call, M call, and right column. We will align them at the top position. So you can now see it is aligning them right here at the very top. Something like this. So after this, we need to individually target these elements. So left column, we will target, change the width to 340 pixel, padding top to be 6 pixel, and then we will target uh, CNT class. So width we will, sorry, padding we will change to 20 pixel, and here we will change the background color to these, all these, to white. So box shadow, if you see this, we are targeting this section. This is the section we are targeting it. So basically the background color has been changed to white. You can also change it to black. So, but we are changing it to white. So after it, we also need to provide a box shadow, which is 0 pixel, 3 pixel, 3 pixel. This is a color, white color. And after this, guys, we also need to target LMRG. Margin from the top position is 28 pixel. You can now see it has got some space, the photo section. Then we got this section, which is for the did you know section, display to inline block. Width we will change to 24 pixel, height to also 24 pixel, and margin from the right position is 2 pixel, and background size to be auto, and background repeat, it is equal to no repeat, and vertically align, we will align them at middle position. So now you can see that it is aligning them right here at the middle position. So after this, guys, we will target the actual sidebar again. So here we will assign this background image. We just need to paste it. So what it will do is that it will assign this background image to it. I think I haven't written properly. And after this, all this also will have to be there. So you can see here. So now we will be targeting the label, guys, which is there. Content label, CNT label. Position, we need to change the position to be relative. 24 pixel. A margin from the bottom position to be 15 pixel. So we are targeting this. After this, we need to target the span tag. So CNT label span tag, position to again relative, top to 2 pixel, color to this color 707070, and font size is equal to 18 pixel. Basically here we will be having this pencil icon, we will style it LB action, position to be absolute, and top is equal to 0 pixel, right to also 0 pixel, cursor we will change it to pointer. So whenever you hover onto this, your mouse changes to pointer. Then we have the next action, which is called as this actual icon. Display we will change to block. Color we will change to this color, and font size again to 18 pixel. You can see here. After this we will target font size to be equal to 24 pixel, and now we will target the box, which is color, which is this color 797979. So after this font size, we will increase the font size to 14 pixel, line height to be 1.3, and then we will target this intro line, which is this one. Margin top 17. If I paste it here, something to this. So now you can see that it is coming in each line here. You can see that basically this has got this blue color that you see inside this icon, this location icon, and now we will be targeting this anchor element, which is there, u location anchor. So position we need to change it to relative, top to 1 pixel, and color again this color, which is 2196 f3. So it is highlighted here. So now we will come to the photo section, guys. It is very easy. So inside the photo section, we just need to give a padding of 2 pixel and a margin of 15 pixel, minus 20 pixel, minus 20 pixel, minus 20 pixel. So after this, we will target photos again, and TD, table data. We will change the width to 33.33%, height to be 112 pixel, border to be 2 pixels solid, F box sizing. So now you can see it is elongated to border box, and background color we will change to this color, which is gray color, white color shade. So now you can see that it is appearing just 3 photographs per row here, and background position we will change to 50%, 25%. Background size we will change it to cover. And now we will be targeting each of the photographs that needs to be inserted here. So let me target the first photograph and show to you. So now you can see that the first photograph is inserted. Similarly, we can insert all these photographs which are there. So you can also take your own photographs. It is totally up to you. For in the photo section, you can see first, second, third, fourth, five, six. Similar to this here, you can see that. So after this, guys, we will now target did you know section, K and M. Change the color to this color, which is B8. Font size to be 15 pixel. Normal. Margin left to 8 pixel. And cursor to be pointer. So again, if I refresh it, so basically now you can see did you know character is there. We have attached these properties to it. We have given a border to it, a background color as well, border radius as well. So you can see that this is the image here we are given here. And after this, we will have to target this section, which is add underscore q 858585, text align to be center, margin top 10 pixel. So after this, border color to be F1 F1 F1. So you can see that. So this is the question mark you will now target. So now you can see that it has got a nice vertical middle here. And now we will target this. So now you can see that it is putting here T box. T box is equal to this here, like this. You can see that. So again, if I refresh it, now you can see it is changing. You can see how it is changed here. So in the mode section, we need to style like this. So T more I. So again, if I refresh it, so this icon, we can see it is removed here. It is simply moved like this. So when I hover onto this, it changes to cursor pointer. And some more, which is the cookie section. So again, if I refresh it, so now it has got some space as well, guys. You can see that. So these paragraph tabs. So now basically we will move to the next section here, which is this one. Basically, these are the sections here. Different buttons here that you see: timeline, friends, photos, about, archive. So now you can see that this changes to like this: timeline, friends, photos, about, archive. Similar to this. So here we have given some properties to it, position relative, font size 13 pixel, color we have changed it 9191, sorry. So padding, margin top, background color is white, box shadow as well, Z index 3. So after this we will write p tabs mtd. So here we will change the width to this 16.66667%. Cursor to pointer, you can now see. So whenever there is an active class out there, we need to style it. So we need to change its color. So this timeline section will have this red color. It is currently selected. You can see that. And also this span tag. So now guys, you will now see it is shifted to the top. Paragraph tabs here. So now you can see that it has got some spacing as well. Timeline, friends, photos, about, archive. So basically now we will be coming to the next section, which is this section, which is make post. We need to do like this. So how to achieve this? So we have this composer section. Padding we will change to 20 pixel. Background color we will change to white, and box shadow we will change to 0 pixel, 3 pixel, 3 pixel, and this color. You can now see this is now change it. So now there is you can see that these tabs, composer tab here basically. So you can now see the color has been successfully changed here to gray color. So some other styles we need to write. So cursor changes to, you can see pointer here like this. It has got some space here, make post like this. So after this we will write some more styles here. So content nothing, position absolute, background color is again changed to white. You can see that. So for this guys, we are not using any sort of layout, flex box or grid layout. It is totally made up of HTML, CSS. You can now see how it is doing it. It is styling it on its own. So after this, we will write these styles, which are this one. So first of all, hit the like button guys. If you are subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel as well. So if you write like this, you will now see it will be doing like this. So after this, so just write after this. So now you can see that it is perfectly styling this image as well. You can now see this is the image, display image. So here this, after this we will style this input field to make like this. So now we will style this input field. So C input. So first of all we will make the width to 100%. Font size we will change to 20 pixel, and border we will remove the border, remove the padding, and remove the margin as well. So all the things we will remove it. So now you can see that it is looking like this. So here we need to change the placeholder color to white. So simply we will have the pseudo class, which is, so color, it will change to this color, which is this one. So after this, guys, we will have this insert emoji section. So position we will change to absolute, and then we will have the right section to -2 pixel, sorry, -2 pixel. And you can now see this emoji is moved to right here. So once again we need to move it from the bottom position to be -10 pixel, and cursor we need to change it to pointer. So right here it is placed at this location. So now this is also complete. Right here we need to change its color, which is this emoji icon color we need to change. So display we will change to block, and color we will change to this CCCED6, and font size we will change it to 21 pixel. So this will be like this. So after this, guys, we will need to make this picture appear like this. This is all the styling that we need to do right here. So there will be a single image here. So we need to make it as round here. This is a display picture, and the Rajiv Singh shared a memory. You can see that. So we need to style this. So this is now the post section. And let me read your comments, guys, if you have made comments. Uh, so first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. How is your blog? Is it hit or it has increased? Yeah, the update hasn't hit my website at all, so it is looking quite good to be part of that. So this Google search update doesn't hit my website. And let me now style it once again, guys. So this post section, guys, you can now see we have this padding section, 20 pixel. The background color we will change it to white, and back box shadow we will change it to 0 pixel, 3 pixel, 3 pixel, D. So now, guys, you can see that it is having this shape here. We are styling the outer section. It has got some box shadow as well. You can see that. Now we will target the profile pic. So uh, pic like this. So we will make the width, first of all, target the width here to be 50 pixel, height to be also 50 pixel, and we will make the border radius to be 50%, exactly 50%, to make it completely round, overflow to be hidden. Now you can see it is completely round here. Now we need to just make some adjustment to the image tag. We need to change the width to 100%, display to block, and remove the border like this. So after this, basically here we will be vertically aligning it to the top, and padding from the left position will be 20 pixel. And here the info section, guys, which is Rajiv Singh, we will target this. And color we will change it to this color, which is 5A5959. Font size 15 pixel, and margin from the bottom position will be 7 pixel. So now you can see that. So now We will change this anchor element text color to be this color, and this color, which is, you can now see. We'll also change the icon, which is this icon. Font size, we will change it, and also the span tag. You can see that. And now basically we will style these options, guys, which is uh, so P options, so position, relative, right -3 pixel, width 1 pixel, color, we will change it to this color. We are targeting these, I think, these options here. So you can see that. Cursor, we will change it to pointer. Vertically align, we will align it to the top position. So if I paste this here, format document, so it will look something like this. You can see here, it has changed the background color like this. We need to do something like this. Side by side, we need to do this. So for doing this, we need to first of all change it to this one. So now it will change this to colors like this. So now we will target the like, comment button by their classes. So basically we will now see it will remove like this. It will just have this side by side, and also we need to give some margin from the right position to be 6 pixel. So now it is appearing in a good manner. You can see that. Also we need to style the share button as well by the share class. We will float them at the right position. So this is a share button, we can see that. So now we need to style this loading button that you appear right here. So we need to align this at the center. So align this at the center. If you see here, now it will be right here at the center. So after this, just style the icon, give it a color of blue, which is of Facebook. So now this content section is also complete, guys. So almost all the sections are complete. This is all, only the sidebar contacts area is remaining. After that, the simply this Apple icon. So all this is complete right now. We will now see the chat bar. So basically this chat bar section. So position is relative, you can see that. We need to put these icons, which is online icon like this. So chat bar here. So these are all the positionings that we are giving right now to it, guys. So let me paste it here and then explain to you what is happening. So basically we have changing the color padding, background color, and here we are giving this background color, this online color, which is green color. Position, you can now see here at the right hand side, this has got some online effect here, whether the content is online or offline, something like this. Then this is settings button. And now we can simply style the footer, guys. This is just a very simple styling. This is almost, our project is ready now. So just put this styling, the finishing touches. So now your application is complete, guys. This is the layout that we have developed. Facebook profile timeline layout with the pure HTML and CSS. We haven't used CSS Flexbox and CSS grids. You can use this layout for your own Facebook clone application if you're developing it, if you want to connect to your database. All these data will be coming from the database once the user create the account. I will also create this video once I finish this. So this display picture, name, all this coming from database, and all these timeline post as well. So if you write something here, it will get posted. So you can just use this layout. The link will be there inside the description of this live stream. Try to make this Facebook clone. I have provided you this layout. I will also, of course, make this video how to connect it to a database so that it is fully functional. This chat window, it is. Now let me take your questions, guys, if you have any sort of questions. So please hit the like button first of all. Only 11 likes are there. Also subscribe the channel if you're watching it for the very first time. So please hit the like button, guys, if you're watching it for the very first time. And now you can ask your questions. So let me show you the traffic of my website and revenue. So this is the live traffic for Google Analytics, Search Console, and Ezoic, and also AdSense. If you are a subscriber of mine, you will know what I am telling. Revenue is increased here, guys. You can see that really it is increased 489.